forgotten 720-mile 2009 Corvette Z06 emerges from storage. What would you expect to find from a storage container? Old, undesirable furniture, Atari video games, the worldly remains of Jimmy Hoffa. Jokes aside, if there's going to be an abandoned car in a storage container, it's more likely to be a Cavalier Z24 than a Corvette Z06, let alone a 720-mile one. But as luck would have it, that's what this eBay seller found. What you are looking at is a slightly scratched, but otherwise complete and never registered 2009 Z06. In all respects it's treated as an abandoned vehicle, and the Duluth-based seller says the van doesn't show it to be a stolen car. There's no paperwork, and obtaining a title will take a while. The seller mainly wants to turn the Z06 into money quickly and has therefore posted it for sale as a no-title car. The ad claims the Corvette is the lowest mileage Z06 in the country. While that is possible, it's almost certain that 20 years from now some mothballed, zero-mile Z06s will start coming out of the woodwork. We've seen weirder things. But if you want the low-mile example and you're willing to get your hands dirty dealing with the paper trail, here's a perfectly good chance. The Vet is on its original 2009 tires, so we'd refresh those before any track day action. The seller has already replaced the factory fluence and washed the storage dust off the car. It does polish up nicely. At the time of writing, the auction is at $34,500 with over 100 bids. It will be interesting to see where the bidding ends with 2 days still to go. Thank you so much already watched our video. To get a coffee pull for hour, please like, share, and subscribe our channels. Thank you.